Video guys, andito tayo sa Beijing. Bibili siya ng candies para sa Valentine's Day sa school ni Santino. Sa Monday nila dalahin. So bibili ng maaga. So meron na sila. Ito yung mga pang ano nila. Ayan, meron din sila roses nila pang Valentine's Day. The alright.
I'm not buying 60 pieces of candy for 13 kids. You need me to help you pull?
No, I know. I just follow you.
I need gloves for my eyes.
Gloves for you, right? Glasses or gloves? Gloves is for your hands, not for the eye.
You got plenty of chips, right?
Yeah.
Doritos.
A lot there is the cheese, flavored cheese, and donuts.
That's crazy.
What is that? Coffee. Oh nga, coffee mate. Mga coffee here. Right here. Then chichirya. Doritos, big Doritos. Ang lalaki naman chichirya. So, diari mga
You got nuggets?
ice cream. Little nuggets. You need to add more. Only the pizza rolls is a lot. Lot of pizza roll. Just nuggets. Yeah, nuggets only. Eggs. Dahil malakas si Michael kumain ng eggs.
60.
A day?
60
Oh,
eggs.
60 eggs.
Right there.
No? Oh. There, wait. Next. And that's the butter. Yo, that's a lot. Love it. Kaya nga, kasi every week you have to buy.
Now let's go down there.
Alright. So, bacon, no. You don't have bacon, you don't have longanisa. Just 1 pack of ground beef is in there. So, yun yung bacon niya. Paborito niya talaga to. Gustong gusto rin to ni Santino, mga Jay. Masarap kasi to kahit medyo maalat. Kasi ano daw yun eh. Michael said that's the lechon. Himong bacon. Right hand, that's the lechon baboy. You said. Niwang na si Michael. Flat na yung tummy. Gawas na yung abs. Alright. Ito naman is mga kuan.
When there's salt, all the salt you got sugar in it.
Mga palaman sa sandwich naman is one. Nindot kayo diri ang mga groceries ba? Kaya ang uban easy to cook na lang. Initin lang sa microwave. Kaya gusto dito mga groceries dito, kompleto eh. Ayan mga nice kayo lang mga fresh meat. Fresh meat. Your longganisa. Different sizes.
maple. I don't want maple.
You need longganisa for breakfast. Fresh poultry. Oh, mga fresh pa kay di Ari. Ayan oh, mga fresh kaayo dyan. Ilang ground beef. So, namili siya ka ng longganisa na without sugar. So, ayan. Kasi, kailangan niyang mag-ingat. Sugars zero. Zero. That's you need. That's you need. No sugar. Oh. Diba? No, nag-start ng flat. Nag-flat na. Right here is mga kuan chicken. Chicken right here. Nangita ko itong i-adobo bitaw nga katong kuan batikulon pero wala sila. Pero chicken feet lang makita ang kadalasan dito. Pero hindi. What is that? Longganisa. You like that? Made in USA. USA. Yan mga beef. Beef. Pula kaayo eh. Yung beef. Mili pa siya. Mili pa siya. Ang longganisa. So, here na butter, salted butter. Manila may kayo pang prito kay unid. Ito pang unid oil. Pero pang isda ang oil. And that's longganisa. You want?
Chorizo.
Sorry, chorizo. Long.
Same thing. Total sugars, 0. Carbohydrate. We got carbs in it. Looks like I'm getting this.
This one. Sweet Italian chicken sausage. Oh, chicken. Now your next is your ground beef. Your ground beef.
61.
That's ground beef you want. So, lagay lang niya yan sa Ziploc. Chicken. Manok, Santilos favorite manok. Chicken. So, ayan. Wala sila yung mga organs dito, yung paborito ko. There's no, but sometimes just chicken feet sometimes. Chicken legs or right here is this is right here. Swai fillets. Swai fillets. Mga shrimp naman right here. Mushroom. Pili pa siya. Ayan goat. Bone in goat cubes. Goat cubes. Goat. 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 Look at the good goat.
Yeah, goat cubes.
Hello? You eat that?
No, I don't eat
Salmon. Pink fish. Dapat ko tilapia dito 2 pieces. Mga shrimp shrimp nila. Mga limpyo na dyan na may dala sauce. But I am shy with you because I have
Just
a lot
get
of
the
Asian
gun.
store groceries.
You still got crab?
I don't have scrubs. I already ate scrubs.
You already ate your crabs?
So, how many weeks na yun? This one is clean already.
What's this one? Cooked naked.
Oh,
Already.
that's expensive one. Okay, yeah. That's for okay, I have Korean gold noodle. Gold Korean there.
Fruit.
No need. Because the grapes looks but I have to throw away. Santino, you don't eat. Up. You're sleeping. Give me your phone.
It's my phone.
Ay! You keep on the truck his Santino's phone. So, mga fruits sila dyan. I don't need for now fruits. Tired to eat. Tired to eat fruits. The grapes I have to throw away on the garbage because looks bad. Santino requesting color green grapes but he never ate. Eat it. Nuggets. So, binilihan niya ako ng shrimp kasi tinanong niya ako kasi meron akong gold Korean noodles. Tulong ni Santino. He's sleeping. Give daddy spoon. Whoops. Daddy. He's sleeping. Remove the notification. He's sleeping. Makatulog na sadya. He's tired. Oh no. Tired ang baby. 5 pounds. Ooh, big. Big nuggets. Next. Mga dresses. Dari dahil mga clothes. Pantalones, mga jacket. Kaya tugnaw ko ng panahon. Dako ay ng grocery ha ay BG's groceries. Mga flowers design sa table. Mga diary, mga kuwan siya, mga chocolate. Pero sa Valentine's Day ako magpapratan. So yung heart. Nakalagay sa heart ng chocolate. Ito nung sa Valentine's. Self check out die. Self mo lang ang mag check out yourself. Mga snacks na. Parang money. Hindi na makaano si Santino. Makakit si Santino. Ayan, si Jackson daw.